Mngani wami ubhalile incwadi la emnandi kakhulu mfowethu, and nami-ke sengake ngaba nenhlanhla yokuthi ngiyifunde, Unmasking Debt mfowethu. Sake sayireview-a-ke komunye umsakazo, but ake usitshele so far ever since iphumile incwadi yakho ihamba kanjani?
Yo mfowethu, uNkulunkulu muhle, isiphushe ngale ndlela ukuthi sesiyakwazi manje ukusiza abantu at a higher level, in terms of ukuthi okay incwadi iphumile abantu bayifunda, and then also kwavuleka ukuthi sesiyacoacha manje, coaching abantu on one, ama-training session esifana ne-app.
Okay.
So the first week of September
Sure,
kune-app
sure.
ezobe isikhona to try also to help abantu kule same, but
Alright.
kukhulu okwenzekile.
Kukhulu okwenzakala. Okay, ake sibuyele-ke emcimbini namhlanje. Uzwe kanjani ngawo nokuthi-ke yini ekudonsile ukuthi-ke namhlanje uzobe ingxenye lomcimbi?
Okay, so ngi-invite khona uSiso umngani wami, one of the speakers, uKhizo, so ungi-invitile, and mengifika lana I thought ukuthi eqinisweni benginaloko ukuthi khuluma abantu abafuna umsebenzi yabo kuphela. Engifika ngikhula ngisho uku-understand i-CV ukuthi ibhala kanjani, kuningi mfethu, the way futhi abaposition ngakhona, it's not just about ukufuna umsebenzi, also branding, ukuthi how do you brand yourself and uyiphatha kanjani wena excellence, ukuthi uma ngabe usutholile umsebenzi awushaye ngale ndlela ukuthi ushaye excellence yabo. Yeah, nanokuthi nje they don't just cover one aspect but konke, even financial literacy lami engijabula khona. So yeah.
Okay mngani wami, ngizokakubambi nje sheshe ngikudedele mfethu because umcimbi bakhona abahleli bawo and-ke besingahlangene for lokho, but-ke for umuntu njengamanje osibukelayo o-interested mhlawumbe encwadini yakho, mhlawumbe bengakufollowa kanjani uma befuna ukuyithola?
Okay.
And mhlawumbe ususikhela nje phezulu ukuthi-ke uma sithi Unmasking Debt kahle hle sikhuluma ngani, yini umuntu angayilindela if esayifunda le ncwadi?
Okay, so ngiqale ngencwadi Unmasking Debt, A Journey from Chaos to Purpose. Incwadi efundisa umuntu how to better understand how to approach imali, position it in such a way that they are in control. Ngoba isikweletu nje silwa naso. Be it ucabanga ukuthi there's good or bad debt, sinasithi walk at the speed of cash, ukwazi ukuthi ube in control, ungaphili ngaphansi kwengcindezi yesikweletu. Bese umuntu uma ngabe mhlawumbe unaso isifiso sokuthi athenge ikopi yencwadi ku social media umuthi eswazi and uzokwazi ukuthi
Uzokuthola.
Yeah.
Mngani wami, siyabonga kakhulu.
Boys, ngiyabonga.
Sure.